The human heart. In this module, you will get an overview of the human heart. Bet you are familiar with the sound. Yes, this is the sound the heart makes as it beats. Let us learn about this important organ that keeps us going. The heart is located in the thoracic cavity in between the two lungs. 2/3 of the heart is located to the left of the midline of the body and 1/3 is located to the right. Place your palm a little to the left of the middle of your chest. This is where the heart is. Next comes the shape of the heart. The heart is a hollow, fibromuscular organ of a somewhat conical form with an upper broad part, the base, and a lower narrow part, the apex. The apex points slightly to the left. Talking about size, an adult heart is about 5 inches, that is 12 centimeters long, 3.5 inches, that is 8 centimeters to 9 centimeters wide, and 2.5 inches, that is 6 centimeters from front to back. Did you know that the heart is about the size of a fist? Let us now find out how much the heart weighs. The weight of the heart varies in males and females. It is from 280 to 340 grams in males and from 230 to 280 grams in females. In percentage, the weight of the heart is about 0.45% of the body weight in males and about 0.40% in females. The heart is made of cardiac muscle tissue. It has a protective outer covering called pericardium. The pericardium is a double-walled sac consisting of outer parietal pericardium and inner visceral pericardium attached to the heart. Between the two walls is a space called pericardial cavity, which is filled with pericardial fluid. This is the internal view of the heart. There are 4 chambers, 2 upper and 2 lower. The upper 2 chambers are called atria and the lower 2 are called ventricles. The thick muscle wall running down the middle of the heart is called septum. The interauricular septum separates the right and left atria, while the interventricular septum separates the right and left ventricles. The atria and ventricles work as a team. The atria receive blood from different parts of the body and dump it into the ventricles. The ventricles then contract, pumping blood out of the heart. While the ventricles contract, the atria refill with blood and get ready for the next contraction. Thus, heart is basically a pump. It sends blood around the body. The blood provides the body with oxygen and nutrients it needs and also carries away waste in the form of carbon dioxide. The right and left sides of the heart have separate functions. The right side of the heart collects deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. The left side of the heart then collects oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and pumps it to the body so that the cells throughout the body get oxygen to function properly. These cyclic events result in the heartbeat. Heartbeat is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart. Each heartbeat includes one contraction phase and one relaxation phase. The heart beats 72 times per minute, and it beats all day and all night. One hard worker the heart is. Let us recapitulate. The heart is located in the thoracic cavity in between the two lungs. The heart is made of cardiac muscle tissue. It has a protective outer covering called pericardium. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 upper called atria and 2 lower called ventricles. The right side of the heart collects deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. The left side of the heart collects oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and pumps it to the body. Heartbeat is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart.